Welcome to Crafting a Nation, America's story in Minecraft, where history meets creativity. Using the blocky, boundless world of Minecraft, we're rebuilding key moments from America's past, its triumphs, struggles, and defining events. From the arrival of the first settlers to the modern era, this is a story of a nation, pixel by pixel. Let's dive in. Land at Jamestown, Virginia, in a world of promise and peril. In Minecraft, we see a rugged coastline, wooden ships bobbing in the ocean, and settlers chopping trees to build crude shelters. The blocky terrain mirrors the untamed wilderness they faced: swamps, dense forests, and harsh winters. Hunger and conflict with native tribes, represented by villager NPCs, test their survival. Watch as they craft tools, trade with locals, and lay the foundation for a colony. This is where America begins, a fragile foothold in a vast, unknown land. Fast forward to 1776. Tensions with Britain boil over. In our Minecraft world, colonial towns bustle with activity. Redstone-powered lanterns light up taverns where players debate taxes and liberty. We recreate the Boston Tea Party. Colonists, dressed in simple skins, toss tea crates into the harbor. Then the battles, Lexington, and Concord come alive with flint and steel muskets and TNT explosions. At Independence Hall, a quill signs the Declaration of Independence on a crafting table. The revolution is won, but the nation is just beginning to take shape. The 19th century brings growth and division. In Minecraft, we see wagon trains rolling across plains, settlers building log cabins, and railroads snaking through mountains with redstone tracks. The Louisiana Purchase doubles the nation's size. Watch as the map expands in real time. But conflict looms. The Civil War splits the country. Blue and gray-clad players clash in epic battles, cannons firing TNT and forts crumbling. The Underground Railroad is recreated with hidden tunnels, guiding escaped slaves to freedom. America's story is one of ambition and sacrifice. By the late 1800s, America transforms. Skyscrapers rise in Minecraft cities, built with iron and glass blocks. Factories churn with redstone contraptions, symbolizing the Industrial Revolution. Immigrants pour in, represented by diverse player skins working in bustling ports. The Transcontinental Railroad connects east and west. Watch as tracks link in a golden spike ceremony. Inventions like the light bulb and telephone spark progress, shown through glowing redstone lamps and communication networks. America is becoming a global powerhouse. The 20th century rockets America forward. In Minecraft, we see cities glowing with neon signs, cars zipping along asphalt roads, and planes soaring overhead. The civil rights movement unfolds. Peaceful protests march through blocky streets, with signs demanding equality. The space race takes us to the moon, recreated with lunar landscape and a pixelated Apollo 11. Today, America's story continues in Minecraft's infinite worlds. Players build communities, innovate, and dream, just as the nation always has. From Jamestown to the digital age, America's story is one of resilience, reinvention, and creativity. In Minecraft, we've crafted a nation, block by block, idea by idea. This is more than a game. It's a reflection of the human spirit that shaped the country. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Keep building, keep dreaming, and we'll see you in the next adventure.